Computer motherboards connect all components, enable communication, provide power distribution, and system stability. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASRock Computer Motherboards. This motherboard is an excellent choice for anyone building a modern AMD Ryzen system. With support for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors on the AM5 platform, it offers strong future-proofing and upgrade flexibility. The 14+2+1 phase power design with 80 adapter MOS delivers stable power for gaming, productivity, and overclocking, ensuring reliable performance under heavy workloads. DDR5 memory support up to 8000 plus MHz OC provides impressive speed and responsiveness, while PCIe 5.0 readiness for both graphics cards and NVMe SSDs keeps the system prepared for next-generation hardware. Storage options are generous, featuring 4 M.2 slots and 4 SATA ports for extensive expansion. Connectivity is another highlight, with Realtek 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth support offering fast and dependable networking. The toolless multi-layer M.2 heatsink design also helps maintain optimal SSD temperatures. Overall, this motherboard delivers a powerful blend of performance, connectivity, and future-ready features. Now our second product is Gigabyte Computer Motherboards. This AM5 motherboard offers an excellent balance of performance, connectivity, and future-ready features for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Supporting AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, it provides a solid foundation for high-performance builds and future upgrades. The 12+2+2 phase digital VRM design delivers stable and efficient power, making it well-suited for demanding workloads and sustained performance. DDR5 compatibility with support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory profiles allows users to easily achieve higher memory speeds for enhanced system responsiveness. Storage performance is another strong point, featuring 1 PCIe 5.0 and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, while the advanced thermal design and M.2 thermal guard help maintain optimal temperatures during intensive tasks. Connectivity is modern and reliable, with USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, Gigabit LAN, and AMD Wi-Fi 6E support. Additional features like SmartFan 6 and QFlash make system tuning and BIOS updates simple, creating a user-friendly and dependable motherboard experience. Our third product is ASUS Computer Motherboards. This motherboard is a premium choice for enthusiasts, content creators, and gamers looking to build a next-generation AI-ready PC. Designed for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors on the AM5 platform, it delivers exceptional performance and long-term upgrade potential. The standout feature is its intelligent optimization suite, including AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and AEMP, which simplify system tuning while maximizing performance. Advanced ROG Strix overclocking technologies such as Dynamic OC Switcher, Core Flex, asynchronous clock, and PBO enhancement provide extensive control for users who want to push their hardware further. Power delivery is outstanding, with an 18+2+2 phase design rated at 110A per stage, ensuring stable operation even under heavy multi-core workloads. Thermal performance is equally impressive thanks to massive heatsinks, high-quality thermal pads, and an integrated heat pipe design with 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots. This motherboard offers blazing fast storage and excellent future-proofing for demanding applications. Now number 4, MSI Computer Motherboards. This motherboard delivers a strong combination of speed, connectivity, and reliability for modern AMD-based systems. Supporting Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors, it provides a solid platform for gaming, content creation, and demanding productivity tasks. One of its standout features is the built-in Lightning USB 40G port, which offers ultra-fast 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds for high-performance external storage and next-generation peripherals. The extended heatsink design and enhanced power circuitry help maintain stable temperatures and consistent performance, allowing high-end processors to operate efficiently even under heavy workloads. Networking is another major advantage, thanks to the integrated 5G LAN solution that delivers fast, low-latency wired connectivity for online gaming, streaming, and large file transfers. Audio Boost 5 further enhances the experience with isolated audio circuitry and a premium audio processor, producing clear, immersive sound. Overall, this motherboard combines cutting-edge connectivity, effective cooling, and high-quality audio features, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a well-rounded AM5 platform. And our last choice is Gigabyte Computer Motherboards. This AM5 motherboard offers an excellent blend of performance, expansion, and future-ready features for AMD Ryzen users. With support for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, it provides a strong foundation for gaming, content creation, and productivity-focused systems. The 14+2+2 power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, helping modern multi-core processors perform reliably under demanding workloads. DDR5 support across 4 DIMM slots enables faster memory speeds and improved overall system responsiveness, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Thermal management is well addressed through dedicated VRM and M.2 thermal guard cooling solutions, helping maintain stable temperatures during extended gaming sessions or intensive tasks. Connectivity is another highlight, featuring PCIe 5.0 support for next-generation graphics and storage devices, along with 3 M.2 slots for flexible, high-speed storage expansion. Additional conveniences such as USB-C connectivity and sensor panel link enhance usability and customization. Overall, this motherboard delivers strong value, reliable performance, and excellent upgrade potential for modern PC enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.